In this video, I'm going to talk through how to add text to your website. So we've built the crux of our website. We've got our page title, we've named our site, and now we're going to start building our site by including some text. So this white space at the bottom here, this is essentially my workspace. This is where I can place parts or content for my website. So I'm going to start with getting some text boxes in or placing some text in. So I'm going to click on this text box button on the right hand side here, and you can see as soon as I clicked on that button, it opened up a text box where I could write and share information. So within this text box, I can determine what type of text this is, whether it's a title, a heading, a subheading, normal text, or small text. I can determine the type of text or the font style. So if I wanted to make it, something fun, I might choose Comic Sans. I can change the size of the text, and then I can, modify the text by giving it some text features. So making it bold, italicizing it, underlining it. I could change the color, the alignment. I could add numbers or add bullets. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to type, this is my polar bear site, full stop. And I'm going to click out. So when I'm finished, I just click on the white space and then my text box disappears, and you can just see what my text will look like on my actual web page. If I want to click back into that text and modify it, again, I just hover over the text with my mouse or my finger, and I click inside the box, and that cursor appears again. Now I want to make my text bigger and perhaps change its color and make it bold. So I'm going to highlight the text that I want to work with, click the B to make it bold, change the size. I'm happy with the style. I might change the color by clicking on this A with the little underline, and I'll make it purple or maybe black, blue, and center align it. So you can see now I've done lots of different things to my text there. Now that text sits in almost this box, and I can move it around. So you can see how when the text box is active or blue, I can pick it up and I can move it. And then this thicker blue line gives me an indication of where I could place the text box. So initially I had it here, but I might choose to place it a little bit further down and pop it in there. Okay. Now, if I wanted to add some more text in a different text box, I just click on the white space where I wanted to include my extra text, hit text box, and it opens up another text box where I can write more information. And click back out. And say I wanted to have these two bits of text side by side. So I'm going to pick up this active text box, drag and drop it next to the text box up above. And you can see how the line has now flipped and it's a shorter horizontal line. It's just telling me my text box is going to go there. So if I let go, now my text box is side by side with my heading text, and I can change the size so it's a little bit squished or small. So again, if I click on the box and use these circle bits, I can change the size to make the box bigger, and you can see the site auto adjusts. And that's how we work with text.